That's it, dear. Now add some more flour.
Okay, Grandma, like this?
Perfect. It's just like that.
This is so much fun, Grandma.
It is, dear. You're doing wonderfully. That's it. Pour it all in.
Okay, Grandma, is that enough?
Perfect. Now watch how I knead it. Like this. Look how fresh these are.
They're perfect, Grandma.
Just a few more. This soup brings back memories.
It's delicious. Your recipe?
Of course, family secret.
I love it. These dishes are sparkling clean now.
They certainly are. You did a wonderful job. Here you go, dear. Fresh from the oven.
Thank you. It smells wonderful.
Enjoy it.
Here you go, little one. That's it. You're safe. Good kitty.
Hey there, sleepyhead. Good kitty.